इंडस्ट्री, यहाँ पे करियर बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है, ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा। बट अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि यहाँ पे करियर बनाना इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट इफ यू हैव अ राइट एजुकेशन, राइट डायरेक्शन, राइट एक्सपोजर एंड राइट नॉलेज, ऑफ कोर्स यस, विद अ गुड स्किल सेट। और ये आपको कैसे मिलेगा? ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड अ गुड इंस्टीट्यूट एंड अ गुड कोर्स. As you already saw the title that I'm going to talk about post-graduation program in media and entertainment, which is offered by Wellinger Institute of Management. I will give you all the details that you need to know about this course. ये PG प्रोग्राम कितना worth it है, इसमें आप क्या सीखने वाले हो, कितने टाइम का है, फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, and also who all can apply and what is the procedure. So make sure guys to know all these details. Watch the video till the end. So guys, let's understand the program first. 11-month full-time PG program this is. This is the only integrated program where you get mix of everything in media, be it marketing, be it advertising, be it digital media, public relation, event management, sports management, celebrity management, film marketing, script writing and direction, and lot more. Complete syllabus brochure is available in the description box. Click करके एक बार check कर लो, because it's going to be really helpful for you. You are doing a master's program. You don't have all the time in the world कि आप 2 साल घिसा पिटा यूनिवर्सिटी का कोर्स करो, जो कि बिल्कुल भी irrelevant है मार्केट से. So guys, after talking to the management and the faculties of Wellinger Institute, I realized one thing, that yes, they are quite relevant to the market, and that's why once you do this course, you are market ready, which means you're prepared to enter the media industry. And knowing the brand as Wellinger Institute, definitely you will have the weightage to display your degree in the job market. Now coming to the admission procedure, it's quite simple. You have to go on the website, forms खुल चुके हैं, you can go and apply. And talking about eligibility, you need to be graduate from any stream. आपने engineering किया हो, आपने BCom किया हो, आप BSc के student हो, आप BMM के student हो, आप सभी ये program के लिए eligible हो. आपको admission form भरना है, उसके बाद आपका एक interview round होगा, and if you get selected, you are good to go. And adding on to that, final year students who are currently in TY, giving the TY exams or just finished their TY exam and waiting for the results also can apply. Now you will ask me, what about the exposure and the placement? So talking about the exposure, guys, 9 months आपकी intense training के बाद 2 महीने की एक capstone project होती है. और अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि एक capstone project क्या और कैसा है, let me show you a small glimpse of it.
संपत्ति की देवी लक्ष्मी वहीं बसती है जहां स्वच्छता रहती है.
So this video and many videos like this have been created by the student themselves of Wellinger Institute of Media and Entertainment. So yes guys, you do such kind of project which gives you amazing exposure and hands-on practical skills which is required to be in the industry, which makes your portfolio. Using that, you can easily pitch yourself in the industry. More about exposure if I talk, मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में मीडिया इंडस्ट्री के लोगों से बात और इंटरैक्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है ताकि आपको इंडस्ट्री समझ आए. सो येस, ऑन द कैंपस विच इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल देयर इन माटुंगा, lot of movie promotion have been happening, which gives an opportunity to the students to interact with celebrities and top media personalities. Talking about the fees, it's 4 lakh plus taxes, which college gives you the flexibility that you can pay on EMI basis. जैसे कि I told you that I'll give you my final review, is it worth it or no. Guys, from my end, it's completely worth it. 11 month का program है. In less time, you learn a lot, and that too the relevant thing which is required in the industry. So I would say it's an hands-on experience kind of a degree, like where you learn a lot of things while doing it, while experimenting it with the experienced faculty. At the same time, it's a new age media program with integrated 360-degree coverage of media and entertainment industry. So guys, ये completely worth it है. I give it a thumbs up. So if you're somebody who is searching for media and entertainment PG program, this is one of the best. You can definitely apply to it. There's a link in the description box. Go check out their website, check out their program, and yes, do apply as soon as possible because the last date is approximately May 20th. So you have to do it before that. I hope guys the video was helpful. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो प्लीज डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिख दो. There is a number of the college counselor in the description box. आप वहाँ पे भी कॉल करके सारा डिटेल्स ले सकते हो. Thanks for watching guys and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.